The following is from Fall 2010 Math 112 Test 3. In this part, I will do number 6 and number 7. Number 6, solve this proportion. I will first do the cross multiply. As always, every time you see proportion, and I will rewrite it. It's 4 times 8 equals to 5 times x. Okay, now when you do the cross multiplying process, I do not recommend you to compute it right away, because cross multiplying process is actually just a rewriting process. Okay, the computation is done after that. 4 times 8, that's 32 equals to 5x, and then to solve for x, I will divide by 5. Okay, now in this question, they want you to write your answer in decimal. Okay, so how to convert the fraction to decimal? I will divide 32 by 5, and whatever the result I have, that's the decimal. That will be 6.4. Right? So then this is 6.4 equals to x. That's for number 6. Number 7, find the unit rate. Now the unit rate, let me first write it as a rate, and then later on I compute further. That will be 664.2 miles in 6 hours. Okay, now but this is still a rate, right? Even not a simplified one. What I will do then to make it a unit rate, I will divide this, convert this to decimal, and the units later on will be written separately. Okay, now let me divide then. 364.2 divided by 6. 6 goes to 36 6 times. That's for 36. And 4 goes down. 6 goes to 4 0 times. Then I drop another one number. 6 goes to 42 7 times. So the unit rate will be 60.7 miles per hour. Okay, by the way, when you show your division, be very aware that you only drop one number at once. I saw students getting 67 here in the past. That's because when they divided, they didn't do the proper work. Like for example, when they drop 4, 6 doesn't go into 4, they drop another 2 right away. They end up getting 67. But no, you drop one number at a time. Okay, you drop one number at a time. If you do it correctly, then you will see that 60.7 instead. Now this is for number 6 and number 7. Let me go on with number 8. Number 8, what is 32% of 123? First thing I will do, I will translate that statement. The word what becomes x, the word is becomes equal to 32%, the word of becomes multiply 123. Okay, now then the next thing I will do, I will compute that 32% times 123 to get my x. But every time we multiply, or in fact every time you do any computation involving percentage, it is highly recommended that you first convert that into decimal. If the decimal turns out to be an ugly number, maybe repeated decimal, then you turn it into a fraction instead. But the first try will be in decimal. Okay, now what I will do first now, here I will convert this into decimal. Okay, x equals to 0.32 times 123. Now in case you forget how to convert that to decimal, let me show you the side. 32% equals to 32 over 100, right, by definition. And then you move the decimal point twice to the left to make the denominator becomes 1, and likewise on the top you move it twice to the left. That's how you get that 0.32. Okay, but this one I think is quite easy, that you don't really need to show me. The next one, to get my x, I need to multiply 0.32 times 123. Now, of course, this is something I need you to show me how you get that. In other words, I need you to show me the pancake. 123 multiplied by 0.32. Okay, and then this will be 6, 4, 2 here. That's multiplying by 2, and then we will multiply by 3. There will be 9, 6, 3. When we add, we will get 6 here, 13 here. This is 9, this is 3. Okay, so the product is 3,936, but don't forget, we have 2 decimal places there, right? Now this will then be our answer for that x. X equals to 39.36. Okay. Now this is from Fall 2010 Math 112, Test 3, number 6, number 7, and number 8.